Hi everyone, my name is Mary. I am the legal English interpreter of LawWin.
Hello, my name is Jacob Lee. I'm a criminal defense lawyer. I've been practicing criminal law for 15 years, and I'm glad to see you.
So for today's video, we will talk about riding a bicycle while drunk.
Yes, okay.
Many people probably don't know about Korean law, especially foreigners. So Jacob will answer to some questions that people might want to know about our topic for today.
Okay.
So we all know riding a bike while drunk is wrong and dangerous. What will happen if a person is caught riding a bicycle while intoxicated?
A person riding a bicycle while intoxicated can be criminally charged. It's not a big deal. However, a severe punishment can be given if you injure someone while drunk.
It seems hurting someone is another issue. What is the punishment for injuring a person if you ride a bike while drunk?
Okay. According to the Act on Special Cases Concerning the Settlement of Traffic Accidents, we call the law 교통사고 처리 특례법, the punishment can be imprisonment with labor for up to 5 years or a fine not exceeding 20 million won, regardless if there is a settlement or not with the injured person.
So what is considered drunk in Korea?
In Korea, a blood alcohol content of 0.03% or above is considered intoxicated. It's equivalent to a can of beer.
Oh, so if the police officer knows that the person is drunk,
Yes.
then obviously it's not good.
Yes, right?
What if the blood alcohol content is untested?
Then your case is considered as non-alcohol traffic accident. You are just free. That's enough. Additionally, in that case, if you were intoxicated and got an accident while moving the bicycle without riding it, then it's not considered as a traffic accident. However, to save yourself from the incident, I recommend you meet a good lawyer immediately who can defend your case with a plan. If you feel like you don't know what to do or where to go, you can call me right away.
All right, that's right. What is the accident? What if the accident is not related to alcohol? How can a person prove that an accident is not caused by alcohol?
This can be a little bit complicated. The best thing to do is to contact a lawyer's office that provides English consultation.
Yes.
Then ask how you can be affected by the criminal charges, the ways of avoiding charges, and the immigration issue. Well, LawWin, us, is here for you.
Yes.
Bring your case to my office. We will discuss about your situation in detail.
That's right. What should foreigners do if they got caught or arrested while riding a bicycle drunk? Because I think if that happens to me, I will be panicking and nervous.
Yes, right.
So what do they do?
They need to contact a lawyer immediately. They should challenge the charges against them and try to get a non-indictment, no suspicion, or must get suspension of indictment.
So what is suspension of indictment?
Okay, suspension of indictment, we called 기소유예. 기소유예 in Korean is one of the results you can get from a prosecutor, meaning the crime has been established, but it has no value to go through the trials. This sounds good, isn't it?
That sounds good. Yeah. One thing that all foreigners have in common is having a visa.
Right.
How is this going to affect their visa status?
Visa status, when you need a visa renewal, even after you got the result of 기소유예, suspension of indictment, the immigration office may still check your criminal records, your visa status, and any other negative records you have. Depend on the results of judicial review at the immigration office. Your visa could be seriously affected or not at all.
Oh.
Having your case classified as minor incidents is a good thing. However, there are so many factors to consider before a case can be labeled as a minor incident. It could be best to seek legal advice from a lawyer.
So should they inform their boss about their incident that could affect their visa?
It is important to know when and how you should disclose your information to. I would hard recommend you seek legal advice first before telling your incident to your boss. They also don't have any exact information about criminal cases. They will be panic when you ask them for help about your accident. They might even start to consider terminating your contract. So be careful. Take time and plan for your case first rather than telling your story to coworkers.
That's right. So what are the advantages of having a lawyer?
Investigation is very important for a criminal case. Adjusting your investigation schedule is one of the advantages you can have. With the help of a lawyer, you can request for moving to later dates or postpone the investigation for better preparation. Also, seeking for legal advice from a good lawyer will lead you a proper direction of your case. Another good thing is that a lawyer can attend your interrogation to see if the investigation treats you fairly. If he asks relevant questions and manage to be there to protect your rights.
All right. Lastly, is there anything you want to say to people watching this video?
Okay. There are many laws and regulations that even Korean citizens do not know.
Right.
If you have any questions related to legal, please look for a lawyer or an expert for your case.
Yes.
Many people think that a bicycle accident with alcohol is not a serious criminal traffic case. It's definitely not true. It's a crime and a problem. However, don't give up too fast. I can help you. I wish stay safe and remember.
So, we will sum up today's video.
Yes.
So we shared a case of a foreigner residing in Korea about a bike incident.
Yes, right.
He was riding a bicycle after drinking some beer with his friends, and he got into an accident with a Korean.
Yes.
The Korean was hurt and called the ambulance, which was accompanied by the police officer.
Yes, it was.
Yeah. He paid compensation and got a settlement to the other rider who was Korean.
Yes, right.
But he had to fine. So here are his questions.
Yes.
Right now, I am waiting for my fine that I should pay. But will this affect my work and visa status?
Yes, right.
What can you say about this case? I told my boss and co-workers all about my case.
Okay. Well, there are three things that he should not have done for his incident. First one, as police officer got his case, he should not have made a quick settlement with the other rider. I think making a quick settlement is not important in that case.
Okay.
He even needed to make time by delaying the police interrogation and ready for delaying the case process due to his visa status. Second thing, he should not have stated anything to the police officer at that moment,
Right.
because he can't fix his statement later, although it was totally wrong at the time.
Yeah.
So he had better delay the statement for defending himself one the other day, not the day.
Oh.
If he could have called a lawyer to discuss a little bit. That's the thing. He should not have talked to his co-workers and boss about his incident immediately.
Oh.
Because police officer and prosecutor do not have any obligations to report incident to a boss or your co-worker.
Oh.
Well, if you are in civil service, it's different. They have obligations to inform. So you don't need to talk them about it immediately, and it makes them worry. Your boss and your co-workers are ordinary Korean citizens.
Right.
They don't have enough knowledge. They just were and will be my clients. In criminal case, they same as you. They just worry about stopping your work due to changing of your visa status.
Yes.
But their reaction even made worse. Your situations, contract, visa status, something like that.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching our today's video. And if you have more questions, please leave a comment.
If you need, better call Jacob.
Yes.
Always. Bye.
Bye.
See you again.